Hello, Epic, and hello, Elise and family. My name is Sarah Buell, and I'm a new teacher. I'm going over your case study in mathematics, and I'm very impressed. You scored higher than most of your peers, and you are ready for a higher level of instruction. So one suggested area of study would be geometry and measurement. Let's look at it. To describe, compare, and classify two-dimensional figures according to their geometric attributes is one standard that we could focus on. Another standard is to find the area of two-dimensional figures by counting total number of same size unit squares that fill the shape without gaps or overlap. So for example, we're going to be measuring the area of a rectangle, but we're going to use grid patterns. And I will show you how by this handy worksheet that I found. If each of the square is 1 centimeter, as right here shown below, each little blue square, find the area for the shapes shown below. So on this worksheet, we're going to count the shape, and then we're going to put the answer, and then after the answer, we're going to make our unit centimeters squared. This is going to be the units for all area of rectangle. So, in this question, how many squares do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this area would be 4 centimeters squared. In instruction, I'll go over this and we'll fill this worksheet out together. After that, I will have my own time with students, and we will be doing arts and crafts. We'll be using cardboard paper and markers and rulers. We might have a grid sheet or grid paper, but I prefer a bigger grid so that the student can visually see and count with their fingers how many squares are inside the rectangle. We're going to use different colors. Pick whichever colors you like. And we're going to just be making rectangles. Okay? So each rectangle, you're going to make squares inside the rectangle, but you should make sure that they're about the same size. Okay? After we do that, to count, we can use a different color than the outside area. And we can just go ahead and mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this rectangle is 6 centimeters squared. We're going to count each rectangle and find all the squares within the rectangle. Gradually, the student will have to be able to count higher numbers by herself and then also fill in the units as centimeters squared. I think this would be really great in helping her future education, and I cannot wait to help. Thank you very much.